The history of Casio G-SHOCK watches dates back to the early 80s. The concept of the tough digital watch comes from the vision of Casio's engineer, Kiku Ibe, who wanted to create a timepiece that would be literally indestructible. The goal was to design a watch that could withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme conditions. But the true inspiration for the G-SHOCK's development came from a simple incident. Kiku Ibe was motivated to create a durable watch after he accidentally dropped a pocket watch given to him by his father, which shattered upon impact. This incident sparked his determination to design a wristwatch that would be shock resistant and be able to endure harsh conditions. In 1981, after years of research and development, Casio launched its first G-SHOCK watch, the DW-5000C. It featured a triple protection design with a rugged case, a hollow structure, and a module that was suspended inside the watch to protect it from shocks. The DW-5000C introduced the signature square shape that has become synonymous with G-SHOCK watches. Casio developed Triple 10 concept, a 10-year battery life, 10-bar water resistance, and 10-meter dropping shock resistance. In this video, I will unbox and review my favorite Casio G-SHOCK GW-M5610U-1ER. This is truly the ultimate and the best G-SHOCK that everyone should have. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. The packaging of every Casio G-SHOCK watch is pretty simple, and it always comes in a sturdy and protective box. Inside the box you'll find the user manual with information on setting up and operating the watch, the warranty card, some information about multi-band 6 wave receptor, and of course, the centerpiece of the unboxing experience is the Casio G-SHOCK watch itself, wrapped with a plastic cover. The G-SHOCK GW-M5610U is a model that evolved from the original Casio G-SHOCK DW-5000C back from 90s. So basically this watch model is over 40 years old now, and it still impresses me with its features and quality. The modern GW-M5610U features a classic square-shaped design that has become an iconic symbol of G-SHOCK watches. The timeless aesthetic ensures that the watch will remain stylish and relevant for years to come. The watch is built mostly from good quality plastic with a metal back cover. The dial features a digital display with an LED backlight. It's really comfortable to wear. The watch is very light, just 50 grams. By the way, it's made in Thailand, not in Japan. Here are some key features of the GW-M5610U. The watch is powered by Casio's tough solar technology. It can use both natural and artificial light sources to recharge the watch's battery. This means you won't have to worry about frequent battery replacements, saving you time and money while contributing to a more sustainable choice. Multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping. The GW-M5610U can receive radio signals from 6 different transmitters worldwide to ensure accurate timekeeping. It automatically adjusts the time, including the date, based on your location. Thanks to this feature, no need to adjust time anymore. You always have the most accurate time based on the atomic watch. Your G-SHOCK watch automatically adjusts the time every day at midnight. You can trust that your watch will always display accurate and synchronized time. Shock resistance. Like all G-SHOCK models, the GW-M5610U is designed to withstand shocks, vibrations, and impacts. It has a rugged construction with a shock-resistant case and a protective mineral crystal to protect the watch when used in extreme conditions. The G-SHOCK series are well known for its exceptional durability and reliability. It maintains the tradition with its shock-resistant construction, protecting the watch from impacts and rough handling. It can survive any conditions, making it a reliable companion in any situation. Water resistance. The watch has a water resistant rating of 200 meters, 20 bar, making it suitable for swimming, diving, and other water-related activities. Whether you are at the beach, pool, or engaging in water sports, you can trust that your watch will remain protected and functional. Full Auto Calendar. The watch features a full auto calendar that is pre-programmed until the year 2099. I think I will be probably dead by the end of this calendar. It automatically adjusts the date for months with different lengths and leap years. You can also change the language of your calendar in settings. LED backlight. This G-SHOCK has an LED backlight that illuminates the watch's display for easy reading in low light conditions. Stopwatch and countdown timer. The watch includes a stopwatch function that can measure elapsed time and split time. It also has a countdown timer that can be set for various durations. The watch features also 4 alarms that can be set independently. World time. The watch offers world time functionality, allowing you to access the current time in 31 different time zones, 48 cities. You can easily switch between different time zones and keep track of multiple time zones simultaneously. Price. Today this watch retails at around $120 depending on your country and region. I purchased mine on sale for 77 euros on Amazon, so it was really a great deal for such a timeless watch that will never become obsolete. Today there are a lot of fake copies of G-SHOCK watches, so make sure to pay attention when purchasing from a second-hand market. How to set up G-SHOCK GW-M5610U. Hold the adjust button for a few seconds and you will enter into the setup menu. By pressing the mode button, you will navigate through different options. Use Set Plus button to change settings. You can even change the language. When finished, just press one time the adjust button again. The G-SHOCK GW-M5610U remains a great choice even in 2023 for several reasons: durability and reliability, atomic watch accuracy, tough solar power technology, 20-bar water resistance, enhanced features. While GW-M5610U embodies the classic G-SHOCK design, it incorporates modern features for added convenience. These include a full auto calendar, stopwatch, countdown timer, world time function, and an LED backlight for easy reading in low light conditions. These features provide practicality and versatility for everyday use. Casio's G-SHOCK watches have established themselves as a symbol of toughness, reliability, and innovation. The brand's reputation and commitment to quality make the GW-M5610U a trusted choice among watch enthusiasts and professionals. Today, G-SHOCK watches continue to evolve with new technologies, designs, and collaborations, while staying true to their original concept of being tough and resilient timepieces. They have become an iconic brand and remain highly reliable for their durability, functionality, and distinctive style. Considering its reliability, durability, and relatively low price, the solar-powered operation and timeless design, the G-SHOCK GW-M5610U continues to offer compelling reasons to be a top choice for individuals seeking a reliable, functional, and stylish wristwatch in 2023 for outdoor and everyday use. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this unboxing and review video. If you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks again for watching and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye.